Are you looking for the best BEZGAR RC car? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best BEZGAR RC car on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. BEZGAR HP161S RC Car. The BEZGAR new version 1/16 scale brushless RC truck features bigger 4WD wheels, an improved independent suspension system, a reinforced chassis, bright LED front lights, and a powerful upgraded 2845 brushless motor with cooling fins and a fan, allowing it to reach an impressive top speed of 68 km per hour. It's powered by a high-capacity 11.1 V, 3S fire-retardant modular battery that enhances speed, stability, and extends run time by over 15 minutes. The splash-proof electronic speed control, Escape, with an aluminum heat sink provides a continuous 45A operating current, perfect for all-weather driving in puddles, mud, or snow. The truck's drivetrain is reinforced with adjustable metal tie rods, oil-filled metal shock absorbers, metal drive shafts, and premium wear-resistant gears and differentials, making it highly resistant to power loss and damage from bumps, drops, or flips during stunts or hard bashing. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz full-function radio system offering up to 250 feet of interference-free control, it includes dual throttle speed options, 100% for full speed and 70% for beginner-friendly driving. Ready to run right out of the box, this monster truck suits both newcomers and adver. Number 2. BEZGAR HP163S RC Cars. The 1/16 scale brushless RC truck features bigger 4WD wheels, an improved independent suspension system, a reinforced chassis, bright LED front lights, and a powerful upgraded 2845 brushless motor with cooling fins and a fan, enabling it to reach speeds up to 68 km per hour. It comes equipped with two 7.4 V, 25C high-capacity fire-retardant modular batteries, providing over 40 minutes of run time with stable acceleration and enhanced durability. The truck's splash-proof electronic speed control, Escape, includes an aluminum heat sink delivering a continuous 45A current for reliable performance. Its drivetrain boasts upgraded collision-resistant components like adjustable metal tie rods, oil-filled metal shock absorbers, metal drive shafts, and premium wear-resistant gears and differentials, ensuring durability against bumps, drops, and flips during stunts or rough driving. With a 2.4 GHz full-function radio system offering up to 250 feet of interference-free control, it supports dual throttle speeds, 100% for full power and 70% for beginner-friendly handling. Ready to run right out of the box, this monster truck is ideal for both novice and advanced RC enthusiasts for indoor and outdoor adventures. Users are advised to install the included wheelie bar to protect the rear during intense bashing. Number 3. BEZGAR HM124 Brushless RC Car. The BEZGAR HM124 Brushless RC Car is a 1/12 scale high-speed remote control truck capable of reaching speeds over 52 km per hour, designed with a 4x4 drivetrain. This off-road hobby-grade truck is waterproof and built for all terrains, making it perfect for both adults and kids. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, it offers robust performance and durability, while the rechargeable battery ensures extended playtime. Its rugged construction and advanced features deliver thrilling off-road adventures, whether racing on rough trails or smooth surfaces. Number 4. BEZGAR TB141 RC Cars. The BEZGAR 1/14 scale RC car features a durable ABS plastic chassis combined with an aluminum alloy body frame, ensuring enhanced collision resistance and a longer lifespan. This toy-grade RC vehicle reaches speeds up to 20 km per hour, powered by a strong built-in brushed motor, making it perfect for boys and girls aged 8 and above, and even enjoyable for adults. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz non-interference remote controller, it offers a smooth control range of about 50 meters, suitable for both indoor and outdoor off-road adventures. The package includes a USB charger and 2 original battery packs with built-in protections like overcharge and short-circuit safety, allowing longer, uninterrupted playtime. An ideal gift for kids, this cool RC car is perfect for birthdays and family fun, providing sheer racing pleasure for all ages. Number 5. BEZGAR TD141 RC Cars. The BEZGAR TD141 RC car is a 1/14 scale, for WD remote control crawler designed for kids aged 6 to 12. Its unique double-side drive design allows the car to keep running smoothly even if it flips over, so there's no need to stop and flip it back manually. With a special bionic spine, you can easily transform the RC crawler between on-road and off-road modes at the press of a button, offering versatile driving experiences across various terrains like grass, sand, mud, and snow. Powered by dual front and rear motors, this 4WD car delivers strong torque for excellent performance. The waterproof body with rubber seals protects internal components, enabling it to handle shallow water driving, though deep water should be avoided. Perfect as a birthday or special gift, this toy-grade RC car promises hours of thrilling fun and family racing excitement for boys and girls.